Okay guys, so here's Julie and she's gonna open the door to the fucking rain out here.
Fuck me!
What's this?
I'm fucking soaked! Feel this! All this wetness now! That's not even cool!
Oh my god, okay, hold on. You gotta see this. I think Timmins is finally gonna get destroyed by being flooded. I went out the front door.
Look at Martin, look at this. Look at this thing right there. What is it going over?
Where?
Right there.
Ew!
Look at that.
Check it out.
Oh my god.
Wow.
Timmins is actually almost like flooding.
Hey there, Jessica. Look at you in the camera. And by camera, I mean.
No.
Oh man.
Okay, Lee's gonna fucking. What am I supposed to do?
Call him and be like, I don't know what the fuck to do. Like, the shop is flooding.
That is so. That's insane. Look at that fucking coming down. That's just like a fucking pond.
Oh my god.